Experiencing no service or issues with LTE 5G on your T-Mobile device can be frustrating. This section breaks down the core reasons why these problems occur. T-Mobile's network relies on different frequency bands for LTE and 5G. LTE uses bands like 12 and 71, while 5G uses N41 and N78. No service generally means your phone can't connect to these bands due to weak signal, SIM card problems, or incorrect device settings. 5G, while faster, uses higher frequencies that can be more susceptible to interference and have shorter range, especially in rural areas. T-Mobile is rapidly expanding its 5G coverage after merging with Sprint, but occasional outages can still happen, especially in densely populated areas due to network congestion or equipment failures. Check your signal strength and use T-Mobile's coverage map or apps like Speed Test to identify potential dead zones. When experiencing network issues with T-Mobile, follow these troubleshooting steps to restore service. First, perform a soft reset by turning your phone off and on again. This refreshes the connection and often resolves temporary glitches. Next, reseat your SIM card to ensure it's properly connected. Use the SIM eject tool if needed, then reinsert the card. Check your APN settings. For T-Mobile, it should be set to fast.tmobile.com to ensure proper data connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your cellular connection and resolve network issues. Ensure your device software is up to date. T-Mobile often releases updates to improve network connectivity. If 5G is unreliable, force your phone to use LTE in the network settings for better stability. Open the T-Mobile app for diagnostics and real-time outage maps to identify service issues. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance. Move to a window or outside to improve signal strength. Consider Wi-Fi calling as a temporary solution. If issues continue, they may be related to T-Mobile's network or tower problems in your area.